Hello friends, and welcome to my YouTube channel Simply Stocks, and today I'm going to talk about RVNL, whether it is worth buying around 30 rupees or not. So let's get started. First of all, a disclaimer that this is not a stock recommendation. People taking any position to any share that I talk about should do that with their own due diligence and research, and I'm not in favor or against any company that I talk about. Before I talk about RVNL, here's a small request that kindly support me on Patreon, and once you do that, it will help me grow the channel, help you also ask me questions and eke out answers in greater detail. Once you get the $10 membership, you'll have access to my portfolio, my watch list, and a number of podcasts that I put up from time to time on short-term, long-term market calls. And if you can pay upfront $100, and you get 1 year access with a 16% discount. For detailed market or company talk, you can directly email me and we can work things out with a fee. And also, if you are not able to pay through card on Patreon, kindly join the YouTube membership, and that will be easier for you to access because you can join the YouTube membership through Google Pay or debit card and etc. like other kind of payments as well, UPI etc. Now, about the company established in 2003, RVNL works along with the Ministry of Railways to build engineering, you can say products as well as you can say railway tracks, etc. For the Indian Railways. It is a typical PSU company, and there is long gestation period for orders, and this is probably a deterrent for most of the investors to get into such a company. The market cap of the company currently is around 6,500 crores. If you look at the numbers, these are Q1 FY22 numbers versus FY21, and if you look at it, the sales grew by 33%, the profit increased by around 65%, so it's doing exceedingly well, and it is a virtually debt-free company. Return on equity of 17% and operating profit margin of 6%, which is improving. So all in all, numbers look pretty good. In terms of performance, stock has been consolidating since January of this year. So over the last, you can say year or so, it has consolidated. Had fallen 62% from the highs of 29 in February, but numbers are very decent, and it had recovered 70% from the March 2020 low. So stock has seen volatile movements, but now it is stable between 29 and 32. It is in that range. Government overhang making the stock sluggish in my opinion, and a low return ratio is also a deterrent. Otherwise, the stock would have performed much better. In terms of technical, there's major long-term support around the 26 levels. The stock is around 31. Yeah, there is a resistance zone around 35 and 38, and that is why probably I won't suggest that it is a very good long-term buy unless 35 36 is taken out. So at this moment I would say that any kind of declines, 10% decline towards 28 27 would be very good buying opportunity, so wait for such declines. Major lows are beyond it, so lows of 17 18 is absolutely beyond it, what happened in 2020 February, and 30 31 is good levels to accumulate, but any sort of decline towards 27 would be even better to probably buy with a lot of margin of safety. You'll be able to buy at these levels. So my call is, if you have it then hold, but if you don't have it, don't get into the stock. There are many other consumer stocks, consumer centric stocks that most of you can probably get into. I think it will take a lot of time to reach full potential. So what you require is, if you have it, have patience of 4 5 years, and then you'll see one day it move a lot. So things will move slowly in this type of a stock. So this was my video on RVNL. Please like and subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon so you can get my videos straight away when I post it. Thanks a lot for watching.